Okay, so one commenter asked me what kind of Adobe apps that he or she can use on this Honor Pad 10. So for that question, you can go into Play Store and look at the apps that are produced by Adobe. So basically these are the apps that can be used on this tablet that are produced by Adobe. Alright, I will scroll through, so have a look. Alright, so basically these are the apps. And for the next question is whether he or she can use Microsoft Word on this tablet. So for that you have to download Microsoft 365 Copilot, and I think you can download a standalone Microsoft Word as well if you don't want the full suite. Alright, Word, see? But personally I will just download M365 Copilot, go into this, and as you can see there's a menu button here on the top left. Click on it, then click on create. Then once you're inside create, you can create a document, and for this you can create Word, Excel, PowerPoint or PDF. Let's just say you want to create a Word document. Create a blank document. Alright, so this is the screen you will see when you come into a blank document. Okay, so let's just keep away the keyboard first. Okay, as you can see it's quite blank, but you can pull down the menu by clicking on the top right corner arrow key. Alright, let's try that. Alright, as you can see, now you have the options to choose the font size, and also do things like insert table. Too bad that this table is default to 3x3, so if you need extra column, extra row, or you want to reduce extra column, extra row, you have to do it manually after that. Alright, for example, I want to remove the last row, just select it and click delete. Alright, so you can do things like that. If you ask me if this is enough for a word processing application, I think it's good enough, and this can most likely finish all the typical documentation stuff. Unless you want to do something that involves macro or something like that, then maybe this may not be too helpful. Alright, so I hope this video answers your question. Let me know if you have any further questions. Thank you.